This is the Esports MK1300 Mini. It is a 60% mechanical gaming keyboard and it has red switches. I got it on Blinkit for 1400 rupees, and I think that's a pretty good deal because on Amazon you usually find it for around 1700. So inside the box we get a message and we get manual and warranty card, and this is the keyboard itself. And it feels pretty weighty and it feels pretty solid, which is quite good, and the switches are quite silent. We also get a cable. This is a USB type C cable here. It's a USB type C cable to type A, and yeah, that's it in the box. So back to the keyboard. This is how it looks. We have adjustment on the back. Oh, we don't have adjustment on the back. Alright, now back to the keyboard. So I'm going to use it for a few days and let you know what I think. Feels quite solid though, like pretty solid.